When it comes to your home, we get it. You want a roof that lasts, siding that looks great, windows that keep out the weather, without the stress of dealing with an unreliable contractor.
That's exactly why we started Shirk Brothers. The three of us grew up in a family who was hardworking and believed in doing things right. And when we saw how many homeowners were struggling with bad experiences, we knew we could do better.
Our success is simple. We show up on time and do the job right. No mess, no surprise, just high-quality craftsmanship built to last.
We specialize in roofing, siding, windows, and doors, and we take pride in the little details because over time, they make the big difference.
Our customers tell us all the time how much they appreciate how easy we make the process.
And for us, that's what it's all about, giving you peace of mind and knowing your home will be protected for years to come.
We've also been blessed to use our skills beyond Lancaster County, helping build and repair homes in places like Mexico, Jamaica, and Hawaii. We believe that our talents are a gift from God, and giving back is a big part of who we are.
So if you're looking for a team that takes care of your home like it's our own, let's talk.
Give us a call and let's get started.